Sadhvi Karathi. Today I am going to use safety rule signal. Discard showing speed limit 20. Card showing right U-turn. And this card showing left U-turn. And this card showing left turn. And this card showing right turn. And this card showing stop. And this card showing speed breaker, means go slowly. This card showing no parking. This card showing no horn. Wait, one more thing. Do you know about red light signal? There are 3 lights. First light say stop, stop, stop. Yellow light say wait, wait, wait. 3 green lights say go, go, go. Please follow road safety rules. Thank you. Have a good day.